The Taylor Traventures are back! Welcome to Taylor Traventures, your #1 source for family travel. Today we're going to be talking about Assisi, Italy, and I think this has got to be one of the most overlooked cities in Italy. People frequently go to Rome or Florence or Venice, but not many people plan out a trip to Assisi.
Assisi is located in the Perugia region of Italy, which is in central Italy.
One of the most important people in Italian history is Saint Francis, or San Francesco in Italian, and he was born and died in Assisi.
He is the patron saint of Italy. You've probably heard of Saint Francis of Assisi, wrote hymns such as All Creatures of Our God and King. Saint Francis put Assisi on the map.
One of the other cool things about Assisi is that it is very medieval. They've preserved the outer walls, which are still medieval, and the fortress, the Basilica di San Francesco, is still overlooking the whole city. It's awesome if you're looking for medieval architecture. The Temple of Minerva is one of the only, the oldest preserved Greek architecture things ever. One legend states that Assisi originated around a sacred spring, and this sacred spring is where the Temple of Minerva was built and dedicated to Minerva, or Hercules, as you'll later debate about in a later video. But the legend is that as soon as the Temple of Minerva was rededicated and transformed into a Christian temple, then it stopped flowing, and that's the legend of how Assisi got started. Thank you so much for watching this video on Assisi. Next time we'll have another one on Assisi, so subscribe. Also, tell us in the comments below if you've ever been to Assisi. Yes or no, really easy, yes or no. And like or dislike this video. If you like the video, then like it. If you dislike it, then dislike this video. Wait, we never did the welcome thing too.
Welcome. Welcome. Saint Francis put Assisi on the map. Even though that's not what he was trying to do. He was just trying to...
Alright, so let's stop with Saint Francis.
He was just trying to be a good guy.
So,
you too are a cool guy.
So one of the...
What you talking about, Riz?
One legend states that Assisi was created somehow.
We're gonna fix the light. Look at the giant shadows.
Who cares? Don't worry about it.
It's gonna mess it up.
Yeah, Sienna's out and about. One of the other cool things about
Sorry.
And the cool thing about the Temple of Minerva is it's one of the only... Okay, so I'm sure there's enough information in there somewhere to justify a video.